Good. So, welcome to that is our first class on Power BI. So today we are going to install that is the Power BI software. Okay, and then after that we are going to go through the interface of the Power BI. You won't see any difference of Power BI and Excel and PowerPoint. It is almost the same. Okay, they are all Microsoft products, so don't expect to have any difference. Okay, good. Now, how I will that is take you through Power BI. We'll take a project. Okay, I already have I already have the course outline. Okay, I'll take you through the first thing next week, Monday. So we'll go through the course outline. Then after the course outline, we'll now do or cover each component, okay, in that is as a project. I will give out a data, okay, for Adidas, that is outlet, and then we will do it together, step by step, step by step, until we complete the course. Okay, and then after that, I will as well give you that is an assignment or a project to as well create a report, create an interactive that is interactive dashboard as well. Okay, remember power and data visualization. We are going to talk about two or we are going to practice using two softwares. We'll start with Power BI and then we'll go to W. Okay, they are all the same. Drag and drop, drag and drop. Okay, it's just that I want to make sure you know the two different that is interfaces and how you can create reports, you can create stories from those two softwares. Okay, so today I will focus in installing the Power BI. Okay, I won't teach anything to do with the data visualization. That is a class on Monday, where we'll come to learn about data visualization. Okay, different type of charts we use that is in data visualization. When do we use pie charts? Okay, when do we use a bar graph? When do we use Pareto graph? Okay, when do we use an heat map as that is one of data visualization charts? So all those are the things which we'll now start covering from Monday. Today, we will only focus on installing Power BI, okay, and maybe going through the interface, okay. All right, good. So even though I've already installed Power BI with me, I don't know who will volunteer. I will guide you and you will install it at your end. Someone volunteer? Someone with a stable internet? Just share screen. The volunteer, just share your screen. I guide you. Victoria, will you share your screen? Willing to volunteer?
I can volunteer, but I don't know if my internet is not that stable. So I can start. Then, in case anything happens, somebody can chip in.
Okay, no worries. You can share your screen.
Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
It's coming up. Yes.
Okay.
Good. Now for SQL, we have two ways. We can install it through that is the browser. You can just search Microsoft uh, Microsoft Power BI. Yes, just click it. We want the desktop. Even if we click on it, okay, right, the Power BI desktop, add desktop.
And then this one.
Yes. So even if we try to install from here, okay, it will still take us to the Microsoft, that is the Microsoft app. Okay, Microsoft. We have, is it Play Store? Microsoft Store. Okay, so can you come down here and search for Microsoft Store? Just come on the search button here, down here where you usually search your files.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you can search Microsoft Store.
Stop.
Yes, Store. Seems to, I don't know
Okay.
if you have Microsoft Store.
No, no. I don't think I have it.
Okay, maybe can I share? Maybe I can guide you.
Yes.
I think I have it, so.
Okay, can you
Okay.
share your screen then, Kevin?
Okay.
So,
Let me see.
Victoria, you can try and see how you can have it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see if you can have it within the week. I know the reason is maybe you can go and that is register your computer or your laptop, okay, with Microsoft, with your email, okay, under Microsoft, and then it will you will be able to see it here, okay. Yes, so maybe
Is
can
it
you
on the
close?
screen?
Yes, your screen is visible. Maybe you can close it and open it, people, so that they may see. Kevin, you can close and open it. That is the Microsoft Store. You can close it. Okay, that way. Then we have it here. You can see this one with as looks as a bucket with Microsoft's logo. Okay. Yes, you
So there
can
this one.
now. Yeah, you can now share. Yes, you can now go to Microsoft. Just open it.
Okay, so.
Okay, so that's how it will open. So you can see you will need to logging in with your email in your PC. Okay, to do so, can you go to settings? Maybe search settings down there.
Settings.
So to do so, go to settings. Okay, then click settings. Then under settings, go to accounts. Under settings, go to accounts.
Okay.
Okay, under accounts, make sure you logging into OneDrive. Just create a OneDrive account and logging into it, like we have Kevin here. Okay, you can use Gmail, you can use Yahoo, still works. Okay, then after that, come to, now let's go to Microsoft app, that is Store.
Okay.
Then make sure you log in. make sure you log in to Microsoft Store. Okay, then now you can search for Power BI Desktop. Search Power BI.
Desktop.
Yes, that one now.
This one.
Yes, click Power BI Desktop. Okay, so down there before I guess we can install it. To install it, you need to click Get.
I click Get.
Yes, click Get.
Oh.
Okay, so when you click Get, you'll see now it will start getting ready for installation. Okay. Yes, Winnie, you have a question? Yes, Winnie. We can't hear you, Winnie. Maybe you're speaking on mute. Hello, Winnie. Okay, maybe we can continue. So down here, can you go where we have screenshots? So you can see it has already started downloading. Okay, it is a huge file. Okay, it is a huge file. You can see it will go up to 1.06 GB. Okay, yes. You can click on the screenshot, one of the screenshots. This first screenshot,
This one.
just click on it. Yes, now. So we are going to create reports like this. You can see here we have different charts, okay, which we are going to use. That is on BI. You can go to the next slide. So under Power BI, okay, for my case, you'll hear me calling it BI. Okay, it's power for business intelligence. Basically, BI means business intelligence. Okay, something which is that is an application for business intelligence. Okay. Yes, so you can see here we have different views. Okay, you can view your charts in a mobile mode. You can as well view your charts on what? On computer mode. So the first one was computer mode. This one is also a mobile mode or mobile view. We'll be able to see also as well how to do that. Okay, also Tableau has the same feature. Okay. In fact, for Tableau, it has a desktop, it has that is a mobile view, and also a tablet view. Okay. Yes. So you can go to the next. Okay. So this basically it's a screenshot of how we will be uploading data. Okay, to Power BI. You can see we can get data from different sources. We can get the data from Excel. We can get data as well from SQL, from a live data stream. So like we can get data even from websites, okay, and connect it to Power BI. All right. Yes. So this is how maybe we will be connecting the data. Okay. Go to the next one. Okay, so you can see this is also another view. This is the Power Query. It's Power Query view. We'll be able to do some data transformation using Power Query. Okay, we'll do data transformation using Power Query. All right. Yes. Under Power Query, basically, it's not only in Excel, but we'll also see it under Power BI and see how we can transform how we can transform data. Okay. Yes, we can go to the next slide. Good relationships. Okay, how different data tables will be related. Okay, and which table we can connect. If those tables have the same what, let's say unique identifiers. Okay, if they have unique identifiers, we can connect them. Here is where we will talk about the joins. Okay, the joins. So this is just that is a visual for relationships or joins. Okay, in Power BI. All right, can go next. This is how we can create an interactive dashboard. This is a simple dashboard. We'll see how we'll as well create same from our side. Okay. Yeah, we are going to create a dashboard. Yes, next. All right, this is also a dashboard which we are going to create different formats. What about the last slide? Yeah, this is a report now. How um, basically it looks like. Okay. Yes, how that is a report can be populated. Okay. Yes, you can see you can even use graphics. You can use external pictures. That is basically to design your report. Okay. Yes, maybe you can go back and see how if it's done. Okay. Right now, not done.
Yeah, and that's quite a bit slow.
Yeah, it's not. Basically, it's a heavy one. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
we understand. All right. So I'm going to take the screen.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can drop. So that now I may introduce. That is the interface as we wait for that is for your installations. Okay, but simply that's how we install Power BI. Very simple, direct to the point. Okay, very simple, direct to the point. Okay, yes. So basically, when you will launch your Power BI, okay, when you will launch your Power BI, you will come across what, this interface. This will be the first interface to see. Okay, then you can open it to the reports format, and this is how our report interface will look like. Okay, so from here we will be able to get data. So like for example, if we click get data from Excel, it's trying to show us all these Excel that is templates we are looking for. Okay, you can as well get the data from SQL. Okay, the way I showed you, you can as well get data from SQL. You can paste data in form of table. You can as well use some samples. Okay, yeah. So here it's where we will create our reports. Here is where we will create our reports. Then here we have some that is we have some icons. Okay, we have some icons here. So we have the report view. Here it's where we'll be creating our what? We'll be creating our visuals. You can see on this other side we have the different what? The different graphs which we will be using. We have the stacked bar chart, the stacked column chart, clustered bar chart, all these. We have pie chart, we have donuts, we have a scatter plot, we have a funnel, we have a ribbon, we have a map, We also have a field maps. We have a Zua map. We have a gauge, cards. We shall see about the cards as well. Multiple raw cards. We'll also look at the KPIs. We have filters. Okay. We have a table. We have a matrix. If you want to script, that is an R visual, you can as well do so. If you also want to script a Python visual, you can as well do so. We have all this, okay? Question and answer, all these, we are going to look at them. You can as well get more visuals by clicking here, and more so if you have that is Microsoft email, okay, you can as well do what? Get more visuals. If you click get more visuals, you'll get more external visuals like templates, okay. All right, good. Now also under here we have what? We have the desktop layout and we have mobile layout. So if you click mobile layout, you can see looks like a mobile layout. Okay. We can as well create and like for example, let me try to retrieve that is one which I ever created. I don't know if I have one here. Mhm. Is it on desktop? Let me try and see if it is this one. I'll try and see if it's this one. Oops, this one is not really opening. Don't know why. Okay, let me try to get one. Mhm. Load in the data models. I hope it's a working one. Hmm. Oops, this is not a working one. Don't know why. Okay, let me try this one. Don't know. Let's give it some few minutes. Mhm. I hope this one will work. This one might work. This is what we did in our class. That is in our last class, the first class. Guess it's loading the data model. Give it at most 1 minute. Yeah, I guess this was our very first class. Okay, we only did 2 charts. Okay, that is a line graph and that is a graph. Okay, that is a map. Okay, so nothing a lot you'll see here. Okay, but what I needed to show you is this is our report view where we can see what our reports. Okay, then here we have the table view. From the table view we can see our what, our uploaded data. Okay, the data which we have uploaded. You can look it from here. You can as well navigate it to another data from this point as well. Okay, then after that we add what, the model, the relationship. Okay, you can see now the relationship for these two, that is these two tables. Okay, you can as well look at the model. Okay, then we have DAX. Here it's where we can write some formulas to execute. So we'll also cover a class on DAX. Okay, then I can see we have another TM, that is data load. So this one I haven't really interacted with it. It's a new feature, but we'll see what maybe it looks like. Okay, we'll come to see how it looks like. Okay, so basically I wanted to load this report so that you may see, and a report is where we create our visuals. Okay, yes, we'll as well come to create our visuals, so don't worry, let's be patient. Okay, yes, then moving to, oops, moving to that is the features, all the tabs we have in Power BI. So we have that is this part. Okay, the home. The home, we can get data from this point. We can as well get data from this point. Like for example, if I do this drop down, you can see it is showing us the different what, sources of data which we can as well do what, retrieve our data. You can as well come to more. If you do more or if you click more, you'll see another table showing you more, that is sources of the data, sources of data. Okay, like we can source data from Excel workbook as a CSV, as a XML, as a JSON. We can also upload it as folder. We have PDF. We can get data from SharePoint. We can get data from SQL Server, from Oracle, from IBM database, from my that is my SQL database, Postgre database, all this. We can source data from all these options. Okay, even though we won't be able to to get or to look at all these that is data sources. Okay, you can maybe, if we won't discuss yours, you can do what, you can as well look at yours. Okay, all right, good. Now you can as well get the data, that is sources, from here, and you'll be able to see the recent data sources we got. Okay, you can see I had one from Excel, I had one from a CSV. In fact, a text. Uh, Basically, this is a CSV. We also got one from. If you know this, you already know it was what our SQL server. Okay, this was our SQL server. Okay. Yes, so you can as well transform data. If you want to change the data source, you can always go to the data source, check what data source you want. You can as well edit your data source. If you want to delete, you can as well delete your data source. Okay, yes, you can do whatever you want. Okay, if you want, you can as well come and edit permission, clear permission. Okay, or use a different that is source, data source. Okay, then we have new visuals. You can also come to new visuals. If you want to insert a new visual, you can insert a new visual that way, or you can just come here and click on the visual like this. If I click on that visual, it will come here as a new visual. Okay. Then for text, if you want to put a text box, you can as well come and put a text box. Okay. And then type. Okay. If you want to edit it, you can as well come and do what? Edit it. Okay. You can bold it, you can highlight and bold, you can highlight and increase the size. Okay, you can center your your title the way you want. Okay, yes. So that's also another way of that is you can use what the that is insert a text box. We have also different sources of more visuals other than what we have here. Okay, other than what we have. Sorry. Okay, we have more visuals here. Okay. Yes, I'll also come to show you how we can publish. Okay, yes, how we can publish the visual, and we'll also see how we can use Copilot. Copilot basically it's an AI. Okay, it is an AI, and this AI basically helps us to create more that is informative that is charts. Okay, yes, you can ask AI, try, please, I want to do this and this and this, and it will do it for you. Okay, so we'll come to see how we can use the AI. Okay, all right, good. So after that we have the insert, and the insert we can insert a new page, we can insert a new, to insert a new page you can click here or you can click here, click new page or click here. Then you can create the key influencers. These are some of the visuals like this. We have decomposition tree. We also have it here under visuals. These are some of the visuals. We have narrative here, and we also have narrative here. Okay. You can as well use Power Automate to automate more some of your processes within it. Okay. Then we have the modeling parts. Okay, so for the modeling, it's more under the relationship management we are talking about here. Okay, how you can manage your what? Your relationships. Then we have the view. If you want to use any kind of background kind of themes, you can as well use, like for example, if you want to use theme, apply that theme, you can apply it. If you want to apply this theme as your background as well, you can do it. You can add it. Okay. If you want to insert a theme, you can as well insert your own theme. Okay. Yes, and then we can always refresh our visuals in case we have what? In case we have our data or we have updated our data, we can always come here and refresh our visuals to refresh with what? With the most updated data. If you have a paid version or a license to publish a report, you can as well schedule this refresh, and you will be having maybe your data refreshed after every 1 hour or after every day. It will depend with you. Okay. Yes. So basically this is the interface for Power BI. You can see it's so simple, so simple. People maybe might think Power BI is so hard, okay, but it is not, okay. It is not that complex as people may think, okay. So I'm going to make sure I make it easy for you, okay, so that by end of the class you are comfortable and you can you can use or you can comfortably create reports in Power BI. Okay. Yes, and basically that's what I had for you. Okay, that I had for you for today. So tomorrow I'll share the SQL project. Then on that is next week on Monday, we will start with our Power BI. Okay. Yes. The good thing in Power BI, we don't have theory. Okay. If it is a bar chart, it's a bar chart. It's used here and here. This is when we use it, and this is how we use it. Okay. Yes, and that's all. Any question before I can